On this planet we find many beautiful and curious things. The Razavi, for example, is a very unusual species rarely ever spotted in nature. Nobody knows how this particular phenomenon evolved, but scientists have begun to uncover the truth. We've gathered some experts to explain this mysterious creature.
Hello, my name is Vito Soro, and I've been working with the Razavi for the majority of my adult life. I'm by no means an expert, but I've come to observe a few things. The Razavi is incredibly committed to the work that he does. He's a creature of habit, predictable, but puts in a wild amount of effort and organization into everything that he does. Fascinating creature.
I haven't been observing him for very long, but I've noticed that his diet mostly consists of croissants and yogurt.
The wild Razavi has a very unique mating call. It sounds like rock and roll. It's a very interesting and odd sound that no other creature produces.
Rock and roll.
Well, the elusive Razavi, he is a mentor at heart. He helps the other animals navigate the forest. He loans them his utensils.
Hi, I'm Gavin. I'm a nature explorer, and I've found that you can attract Mr. Razavi to you by whispering.
This creature is unlike anything I've ever seen. It has the most peculiar evolutionary adaptation. It has gained a symbiotic relationship with the camera.
He's a unique species. He migrates north in winter for witchy walking.
I know that the wild Razavi goes to bed early and wakes up ready to eat its prey, probably 4 or 5 a.m.
Here we catch a glimpse of the Razavi's unusual habitat. What a marvelous creature. No matter what he is doing, the Razavi teaches and creates many beautiful things